Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to show you some Polkadoodle projects that I made. And oh my God, they have a new collection. It's Winnie Sunshine and it's freaking adorable. So let me just show you the quick card that I made. And this is her right there. Isn't she adorable? She has her mermaid dress picked out, ready to go. She just picked that shit up from the cleaners. Isn't it cute? I love her. She's just so freaking adorable. So I added little flowers to the side. It says best wishes for the most wonderful day. And I think it looks so super cute. I didn't do too much to the card. I did add a bow. And that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell. But the mermaid dress, I added like shine. I'm trying to see. I guess, yeah. I guess depending how I tilt the card. You see that? Isn't she cute? Oh my God, I love this. Love this collection. So I did that. And then I made 3 little treat boxes. And these boxes are totally inspired by Angie. She's stamping with Amore. I will put a link to her tutorial in the description bar. So easy. Oh my God, like I wanted to keep making boxes. But look how cute. So I'm using this one right here. And of course, I got a million pom-poms. Might as well use them. I actually might add some trim once I fill. None of these are filled with anything. So once they're closed, I'm going to add trim too. But look how cute. So I made this one. And then I made this one. And guys, if you know Anne Crafty Kimchi, doesn't she look like her? Freaking Anne is damn Polkadoodle. I am so jealous. Isn't she adorable? I love her. I added those flowers. Look how cute. And then I made this one. Miss Blondie over here. She's so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed. I love the Polkadoodles. I will always be a fan. Let me show you real quick how, when you open it, see? So you could put a lot of goodies inside and then close it. And you know, it's funny because I was putting these, what's this, eyelets? And once I did that, I'm like, why the hell did I do that if I'm going to cover it with a little pin? So yeah, but whatever. I'll put my ribbon through there anyway. And look, isn't it cute? I love these. Love so much. So anyway, this was it. Just a quick little project. Have my boxes ready to go. So when I need a treat box, they're done. All right, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.